I was getting ready one day and I had my eyeshadow super colorful. I had my rainbow hair done beautifully in a braid. I had a colorful dress. Everything was nice except for the lips. What happened to the lips? But then I had an idea which I'm sure you will like, and this of course is an ombre lip tutorial. First of all, let's apply a lip base of your choice. Any lip base is good enough just to make the lips smoother and the liquid lipsticks less drying. Let it set for about 60 seconds, then use a light violet cool toned lipstick. This one is Menagerie Cosmetics Hyacinth. I also have the names of all the products used listed in the description box to this video. And outline the outer border of your lips first. First do the upper lip. This one is a bit trickier because you have to follow the curve that you have on top, unless you have an absolutely smooth and round lip, which rarely happens, but it might. And then the lower lip is usually a bit easier. And while you're doing this, keep in mind that the outer border of this purple color needs to be nice and smooth, while you don't pay so much attention to the inner border because you're going to blend it anyway. Then fill in the corners with the same pastel violet purple color. I love this cool tone so much. And with the little product that you have left on the sponge, blend out the edges, the borders, inwards, because that's where you're going to put your next color and blend them together. And the next color is going to be a very light baby pink. Oh, by the way, I forgot to show you the tube. This is NYX Cosmetics Respect the Pink, their liquid suede. So I was saying this is a very cool toned pink, a baby pink. It might even seem a little bit lilac. And you put that color after the purple, not overlapping them, maybe even leaving a little bit of space between the two, because after you've put on the color, you are going to start blending the border once again with a little product that you have left on the sponge. And had you overlapped the colors already, that blend would have practically covered all the purple. So all the purple you would have would only be maybe in the corners of the lips. Blend, blend, blend. And by the way, if you're finding this useful so far, please hit the thumbs up button. And then of course with the even less product that you have left on the sponge, blend the border inwards. And now you still have some tiny space uncovered, and that's for a reason. After you have perfected your blend, you now go to sunny yellow color. This is from Gavacy Beauty. I have a code THEMIRRORBEAUTY with them, and you will only need a tiny amount of product, so rub off the excess of the tube and then start applying it to where your lips are still clean from the lipsticks. Repeat the shape slightly on the upper lip. You might overlap the pink slightly there, and then after you have applied the color, once again, blend it with the sponge. You know the drill. With the little product that's left on the sponge, you can wipe it off a tissue if you feel like there is too much product, because you can always apply more, but it will be hard to take away what you already have. If you like this type of lip, don't forget to subscribe for this channel, because that's what I do all the time here. See, I apply a little bit more color. That's what you can do if you feel like it's not bright enough, and blend it just a tiny bit again. And the final lip is like a pastel sunset, which matches the nails, the hair, the eyeshadow, the dress. Let me know if you like this pastel pink, purple, and yellow version more, or the neon one, the super bright one that I linked in the description. And if you are also satisfied with the result and as overwhelmed as I am, don't forget to check out this makeup tutorials playlist. It is so colorful that you will get inspired for the rest of your life, and I will see you there. Thanks for watching. Bye!